that is helping the schools. And we have Dr. Anshu Arora. She is a principal of Amity International School, Sector 43, Gurugram, and she is a perfect example of cross placements across careers. She started, she planned to start her career with hotel industry, and now she's a principal of a renowned school chain of India, famous not only India, abroad also. I've seen their school in Dubai also. We have Madam Aradhana Rana with us. She's the founder principal of Icon School, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. We have Madam Kajal Chatija with us, must be the youngest principal of our country. She has also authored a couple of books. I think we are having all the authors. So don't want to waste time. I'm sure everyone has to start their school also. So start with Dr. Anshu Arora. Ma'am, can you tell me about your books? And let us keep it for 3 to 4 minutes. Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Pranav. It's a pleasure to be on this platform with this, renowned authors and people from my own industry. I've met some of them, and the rest I'm very happy to connect. When it comes to writing, I think basically it's the flow of your thoughts. You have a lot going on your mind, but I think if you just take that trouble out to put it on a paper, then probably the book is made. If the first time the book is written, I personally feel it's written on your mental screen. So I have written 2 fictions, one for school children, The School Tales, and one for young adults, Say Bye to Goodbye. I've also done computer and aptitude series right from classes 1 to 8, contributed for CBSE, manual, their books, and I've also been a part of Hindi poetry book, Kahi Ankahi. So Kahi Ankahi ke baad, I think I'll basically like to talk about one of my novels, Say Bye to Goodbye. Why I want to basically bring this up is, that novel was written in 14 days, flat 14 days. I was able to put 40,000 words on paper. So that's the magic of writing. That's the magic of having thoughts in your mind. So do not hesitate. If any one of you out there, if you think you have anything to contribute to the world, do not hesitate. Bring your thoughts out. Bring them on the paper. It's not something which you'll never be able to finish. It's not an Herculean task. It's something which is your pure emotions.
Who's the founder principal of Icon International Schools, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Ma'am, please do let us know about your books.
Dr. Arora, you really summed it up so beautifully. What you said about writers, I completely agree. My journey of writing, I think the nascent writing, started when I was doing my master's. I'm incidentally a nutritionist by education. So when I was writing my dissertation and we had to print it, that printed name on the dissertation was such a high that I thought I'd write someday. So gradually, of course, life took over. And my first writing that I did was a menu planning book, which never got published, never really got, into the public space. But later, I became an English teacher. So over a period of time when I started teaching English, I realized it was such a beautiful, I fell in love with the language, really. So then in Delhi, when we were posted, my husband's an army officer. So when we got posted to Delhi, I somehow got into placement agency and I was running a placement agency. And there I noticed that a lot of people would come for interviews and would fail at interviews in spite of having all qualifications. And basically because their language, their communication skills were lacking. So with this in mind, when I started my own Spoken English Institute. So once I started the Spoken English Institute, I realized the kind of mistakes people were doing, and from worksheets, I compiled my first book. And that, when I got it published on my own, it gave me a high because 5,000 copies sold. And that led to, I felt I could write. And since then, I've written about 11 books on communication skills in spoken English. And then I thought I'd stop writing because it was taking a toll on my health. But this Corona period, I think, gave me again this inspiration to write, because you're sitting at home, on the computer in any case. So correctly speaking came out of, this period. And since I was writing on this genre for a long time, so it was easy for me to write. But, the publishers were taking a long time. And during that frustration period, I wrote Rising to Challenges, which is about this Corona period and how my school, my teachers, how they coped with it. So it's like a story told, from their point of view. So again, a little inspirational kind of book. But my main book, correctly speaking, is now out in the market. And this is again a book. It's a comprehensive, integrated kind of book, a self-learning guide to learning good spoken English. It has conversation, vocabulary, pronunciation, sentence structures. And basically, I believe that English cannot be learned by translation method. So the kind of books that were in the market, it cannot be learned by grammar books. So this is a combination of all techniques where you have grammar at the back of your mind, but you're not using it while speaking. While speaking, your mind is getting trained to think in English, your tongue is getting trained to utter word groups. So it's not like you have to learn by rote. It is over a period of time you improve. So all my other books are similarly based, but they did not have any audio guides. So as a result, students were finding it difficult finding out what was right. So this book has inbuilt audio guides, so which is very nice. And, they can practice with the audio. They can listen to it and they can practice. So that's the USP of the book. And it's out on Amazon, paperback and Kindle edition both.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Kajal ma'am, with your due permission, I would like to invite Dr. Dheeraj Mehrotra. Otherwise, I will be blamed for gender discrimination. It is already spoken. Dr. Dheeraj is a very famous author, and I've heard him on artificial intelligence and online reputation management. He has authored a book quite similar to, I think, what Aradhana has done, 99 Effective Ways to Manage Your School Post-COVID. Dr. Dheeraj, over to you.
Okay, Mr. Pranav, thank you very much. And thanks to all our fellow panelists today. It has been really a great idea to have all of us together at this platform, particularly on the task of sharing knowledge and how about being an author. So I am well versed about the story, what Dr. Arora narrated, and we have already shared so much of, history together as an author, as a teacher, as an educator, and good to see about other issues related to, writing books. And it is simply like, communicating with others and getting it cross-platformed. Well, about my particular background for being an author, I've been authoring books for classes right from 1 to 12 for computer science for both CBSE, ICSE and state boards by Chand and Company. It is over 15-20 years that I've been writing for them. And add on to it is some of my books related to teacher training, NLP, school management, safety and security in schools. And along with that, I've also authored books on experiential learning. So I used to actually undertake knowledge and then dissipate that in the form of the book or the writing. I mean, the new novel subject which has been introduced here is the artificial intelligence, which you mastered. I've also authored it for class 8th, 9th, 10th, and a general book for all, if you want a ready reckoner about this concept. Well, the whole journey actually evaporates with the very momentum of how interesting it is to be an author. Well, it is good, it is rewarding, and it is actually, you get an understanding, you get Google counts, and what all benefits, as Madam Anshu narrated it so well, that you get a little recognition on ground. But certainly this has to be carried on. It should not be an end or a question mark. Next, and next. So as an author, I believe if you have authored books on one subject, you can study others, and because you know the notion now, you know the way how to deliver it. right? So that is the very view, and Amazon is a wonderful platform to showcase, and then we can also sign up with wonderful publishers who are always ready, to partner with you if you are something good at. So it's good that you write and deliver the passion. And
Thank you so much, ma'am, because it's a matter of principles, I suppose, isn't it? Now,
Yes.
I request the youngest of the lot, Ms. Kajal Chatija, Director, Gayatri Junior Colleges, Pune, to tell about your books. I will put while editing, we'll put the cover page in between. Fine.
okay,
Yes, sir.
That would
That's
be
Yeah,
fine.
Kajal, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pranav sir, and thank you, Aradhana ma'am, Anshu ma'am, and Dheeraj sir, for having me. And of course, as sir said, I'm the youngest and the beginner too. As I was very much impressed with Dheeraj sir, Aradhana ma'am, and Anshu ma'am, what they have done in the career, and now they are ready to give back to society.
Right.
And that's incredible. You can consider it. It's coming straight from my heart that I have learned something new today morning. And as sir said, like, talk about your book. So I'm going to talk about my book, Blessings of Life in 2020. When this year started, I have gone through extreme situation, dear leaders, and that's how I came up with this idea of writing a book. When I started writing, so I started analyzing what are the positive points. Of course, many were getting positive already. But apart from being COVID positive, what are the other positive elements sitting at home, learning new techniques
Good one.
and trying it out? So one idea came into my mind. Why not connect, collaborate, engage not only myself, but leaders, educators, teachers, professionals, students, teachers. So I got an idea of coming up with an anthology for women and one is for men. Women can write about their emotions and feelings.
Correct.
And how our strong feelings and emotions have helped us achieve milestones. Okay, we all know that women's emotions are like, we are more expressive than men, of course, and men are very good in experiencing the emotion, what I have analyzed, right? And men in this book can write about one special woman in their life. So it's a kind of a souvenir which want to present it to and celebrate womanhood. So this is all about the two books. One was The Blessings of Life in 2020, which is gone for publishing, and the cover page is already launched. And, Pranav sir had done it in earlier summit.
Saturday.
I'm glad, and I'm telling you one more thing I just love in Pranav sir. He is so spontaneous, like abhi jaldi jaldi. That is how I connect with sir so much. And even मैं भी ऐसी हूँ, अभी करना है, जल्दी करना है, और जैसे दिमाग में idea आया उसी वक्त करना है. I got the message last night that, ma'am, be ready.
All of you have got last night.
Yes.
12 hours before. 12 hours before.
I just got the message saying, book the book.
Kajal,
Yes,
you're looking for 40 authors, you can look for 39.
Okay.
No, I think 37.
Okay. No, I'm speaking for myself. I can't speak for the other two.
I want to show you the cover page.
Yes.
Sir, if you can allow me, both the
Sure,
cover
sure,
pages,
sure,
if you
sure.
can
Yes.
allow me to share my screen.
Anyone else can also do. I think Aradhana has already done it.
Yeah.
Anshu, you can also do it, and Dheeraj can also do it.
Yeah. If you can, shall I share the screen?
You have the access.
I have the access. Just a minute.
So what I did in COVID, I like to share here is that I used to talk to my children about
And I remember your words. Thank you so much for doing that. You know, that one little sentence can take you places. Thank you, Anshu ma'am, for acknowledging that how it can work wonders when we take it to the community level and when we inspire people to write along with us. And I'm telling you, ma'am, writing together is something, a different
yes.
story altogether.
Absolutely, because I have co-authored books and I totally relate with that. Another thing I feel is writing is a journey. There is no destination. even when you're writing, you're enjoying every bit of it. Your first chapter, your second chapter, how the whole thing flows. I think we need to live that journey more than worry about,
Yes.
what is going to happen to the
And-
book and how many copies will sell. First, be happy in the spirit of writing and putting it down.
Good one.
Yeah, as for me, when you write, the true writer will always connect. There is no right or wrong. There is no
That
right-
also, and now this is actually the perfect atmosphere for writers to blossom, because there's so much available, and you can like in this journey, my publisher was taking a long time. Now this rising to challenges, I self-published. So with that, I learned so much. I learned, about publishing, about, various tools. So that I think was more learning than anything else. So, this is a perfect time to actually write. People are writing so many books, and KDP Publishing, Notion Press, they're giving you such lovely platforms.
Yes, I think writing as a habit has really grown in the country. But
Even blogging, blogging is now turning a lot into writing.
Yes.
Like I write a lot of travel blogs, and with that, now I'm thinking of writing a travelogue, kind of book. So, never thought of it before. So this kind of, space is also opening up. I think it's a wonderful time for people to blossom into writers.
And with the mention of audiobooks also on the go
Yes.
with podcasts, particularly, it has really come out. And the children are also coming up, curating that knowledge,
Yes.
developing that pleasure of recording as podcasting. Audiobooks have come up, and ebooks have also come up. So probably we were surviving on ebooks only during the pandemic, in fact.
Right.
So it was, I think it's going to be high time for all of us to also convert our existing books into ebooks and explore it to the special.
Like Dr.
needs.
Arora was saying, the reading habit is dying down. I tell my students, because they are impatient. They're not. They don't have that kind of perseverance that we had. So I tell them, read audiobooks. I mean, just plug in instead of listening to music or something. Plug in and just read. Listen. So from that, at least they improve their vocabulary. They improve, their grammar. They improve their expression, intonation. So all that they learn. So I think a wonderful idea also.
exactly.
Yeah.
And that is the reason I recorded my videos for my children.
Yes.
Because I thought if I
Wonderful.
write articles and send it to them, they will only be half read. So I
Yes.
thought, let me give them a video which they will certainly watch. And they did watch it.
No, they do. In fact, we have
Yes.
started a series like every week I do Man Ki Baat, which is recording an audio
Wonderful.
for them rather than preaching to them, individually. They see it in their own time. So that's also working out very well in our
That's
school.
working out very beautifully in today's time.
Yeah.
In fact, what I was thinking, ma'am, let us have a book fest where we can invite all the book lovers and we can stream it. I think people, at least people of my age, we love reading. When I was in school, I used to rush to the library on the library periods. We used to have those Hardy Boys, Nancy's Mystery.
And there would be a competition as to how many books you've read and how
Yes,
how
yes,
you are
yes,
ahead of
yes,
your
yes.
friend.
And there was
Yeah,
a
I think we need to inculcate those things.
yes, ma'am. Actually, reading is again important because small kids, at least they understand the spellings.
Yes.
By listening, they would understand the spellings.
Yeah,
That's
because
also
how
important.
you learn spellings is basically it becomes an image in your mind.
Correct.
The moment you see something, something is wrong with that word because that image of that word is caught in your mind. So you're very right. Spellings can be
Pranav,
beautifully learned if you read a lot.
Yeah,
I
but with
think
the world
they-
changing, the spellings are really losing their meaning because there's so much autocorrect. I mean, even the students now, when they're working, they don't rely too much on their own spellings. Autocorrect hai, ho jata hai. So I feel you should teach them skills which technology cannot. So emotions, expression, which technology cannot replace.
But I will add a very beautiful example here. Once I dictated a letter to my PA's office and I said score and she wrote soar. So, that got auto-corrected when she was trying to write that word. And these two words are so different in meaning. I was trying to write a LOR for a child. So, that's where your knowledge and your
Exactly.
actual spellings and this thing counts. And then I had to tell her that, but you don't always autocorrect. See, the meaning can completely change if you always accept your autocorrect.
Around 70% of the resumes, it is written career, CARRIER.
Yes,
And
yes.
then the spelling of principal.
I know.
Principal, I think the
Another one.
principal spelling, even the most educated somehow write wrong.
Yeah, so I have a red pen with which I keep circling all that in my office.
So I think, Pranav, there can be somewhat a great motivation for the librarians if you do something.
Yes.
Yes.
Because through principals you can connect the librarians, and
Yes,
it is
yes.
the librarian, who can easily and motivate, connect with the children. And
Not only motivate, they can buy your book
correct, yeah,
for the library.
true. Not only for the students but also
Yes.
for the teachers.
Yes, yes, yes.
So,
yes.
Like
they
we
need
do
to-
a library week in the school
I
where
know.
we try and call an author. We
Okay.
tell children to design the cover page, write
Yes.
reviews of the books.
Yes.
What is a blurb in a book? So what
Yeah.
kind of an image should be picked for the book?
Yes.
Those are the things I think which really
Yeah.
help children to connect.
Yeah.
And the moment they see an author, they're very excited.
I
And
know.
that's the
we
time
can
they want to pick
even
that person's
motivate
book.
and promote young authors from schools.
Right? From
So
Yes.
that can be achievement of the school also,
We can have some good essay competitions, ma'am. Not the whole book.
or maybe a book writing chapter competition or
Oh,
something.
yeah, a chapter. Yeah,
That's a
we can have.
beautiful idea.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
And even how to build a story.
Yeah.
Very simple steps and very simple steps. Once you have the pointers, as
Yeah.
we all educators, we
They have it in their English language, I believe. No?
Yeah, they
Yes.
have
Reading
this
a
story.
story.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think we have
Yes.
it.
And they have a picture, and that picture has to be sometimes converted into a story.
Yes.
So those things are there, which are very
Right.
creative and very
Ma'am,
good.
ma'am, what exactly was comprehension?
That was the same. It was a chapter given, and you had to answer questions
You
on
have to
Correct.
understand.
Correct.
You have
English.
to comprehend.
Comprehend who spoke what and what did he say and what
Right,
did
right,
happen
right.
But
after
all
that.
this, story writing and all comes in creative writing, which they do
Yes.
a lot. But
Yes.
again, because children don't read so much, they lack the vocabulary. They
Ma'am,
have
they
the
are not even
ideas.
writing now. Ma'am, they are not even writing.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Writing is also gone. I don't know how to write the board examination.
But it is our responsibility, and
As an
somehow
educator.
we have to inculcate.
As
We
an-
have no choice.
I will just show my daughter is giving a class. I'm sure she must have put off the camera.
Ah,
हाँ हाँ मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा
सही
हूँ.
बात है.
Or she will see something else. When I go, she will just change the site.
No,
Yeah,
but
I
Pranav,
believe that one
like
point.
we were discussing, I firmly believe that if students are switching off their camera, there is something the teacher needs to introspect. Like I always tell my teachers, I said, absenteeism in class is your appraisal. There is, if a teacher is interesting,
No,
the
ma'am, no, ma'am.
student will
Ma'am,
not.
ma'am. Now, a teacher, she's under the eye of the parent, brother, sister, uncle, everyone is watching them.
No, they are improving, but it's a gradual
They
process.
can't even scold them.
You don't need to scold them. You have to be interesting enough. So that is how all these methods of learning are coming into picture. When
In our time, teachers thought we belong to
Here
them.
sells my
Rather.
book. Here sells my book.
yes, that's it.
Marketing.
That's it.
Right one.
Good one.
Yeah.
Good
And
selling
the
proposition.
marketer
I
comes
think
out
we'll-
from an author.
I know. You have to. Publisher won't take interest.
Yes, very true.
Yeah, wow, teaching ideas is what we require actually in
I
classrooms.
know, certainly, ma'am.
These topics, our attendance was more of principals.
Yeah. No, we can. I mean, people are writing about everything possible. And I think we should have this kind of interaction. People will get interested. Different genres altogether. It's not about pandemic like what Kajal has written or my book, Rising to Challenges. They're inspirational stories. They're not really about the pandemic and how it will pan out. They're just about people. And that really connects with people.
प्रणव सर, आपके जैसे एक आइडिया आ रहा है सुबह सुबह.
बताओ मैम.
From one place to the other, pillar to post, and suddenly back home. I think everyone has somewhere looked within.
Yes, that's
And
true.
everyone has done whatever was there within of them. I've seen so many people who started painting, cooking, started doing gardening,
Cooking.
got into spirituality.
Bloomed out.
Like personally, I read Gita
I
twice.
know.
And I also got into, the old things that somewhere my hobbies kept on a shelf thinking now I don't have the time for it. So you have everyone has gone in within themselves, drawn out from there.